Hey Funling, where's the treasure?
Yeah, about that. Uh-oh, I need to hide this treasure. I'll hide it in the fish. Phew, there we go.
Funling, do you have any treasure?
No, I don't. All I have is smelly fish.
Oh well.
Phew, let's grab the treasure. Uh-oh.
So we need to find Tom Moss.
What's that smell? I need to get rid of this fish truck. Billy, please can you take this to Safari Funling for the animals?
Okay. Nia, have you seen a truck of smelly fish?
Yes, I gave it to Billy.
Let's go!
I have fish for you.
Thank you. Penguin, do you want this fish? Oh, sorry, the penguin doesn't want it.
Oh, okay.
I don't have your magic spell book.
Yes, you do.
Let's get the truck.
Oh no, I'm a Masham.
Oh wait, I do have your book. Let's go inside.
Let's have some fun. Let's play some bowling. I'll give you a prize if you knock all of them down. Yeah, I can do that. I did it! What's the prize? The prize is this truck full of fish! Yay! I'll give it to Whiff.
Bill, have you seen a fish truck?
Yeah, Ben took it to Whiff. Let's go again. Whiff, have this truck of fish. I'll take it to the dump. Wait, Whiff!
Oh, we were just too late. So close!
Oh no, we've lost him. Let's get to the dump. I have the rubbish.
Oh, that fish stinks. Splatter, take it to the docks.
Okay. Where's the fish?
It's going to the docks.
There we go. Yes, we got the track.
Our treasure! What's happened?
Our treasure chest fell in the water.
I can get it. Here you go.
Yes, our treasure.
We got it. Oh, but it's a bit smelly from the fish.